Which creature has a lifespan of 150 to 200 years? The correct answer is option C, tortoise. Rabbit is the national animal of which country? The correct answer is option A, Monaco. What is the wire of an electric heater made of? The correct answer is option C, nichrome. In which country do hens that lay blue eggs? The correct answer is option B, Chile country. What metal is the Statue of Liberty made of? The correct answer is option C, iron. Which disease is cured by eating milk and jalebi? The correct answer is option D, headache. Which bird starts flying as soon as it is born? The correct answer is option D, maleo bird. Which is the most beautiful building in India? The correct answer is option C, Taj Mahal. What is the hardest thing on earth? The correct answer is option C, diamond. Which creature sees with its ears? The correct answer is option D, bats. Which is the smallest state of India in terms of population? The correct answer is option A, Sikkim. Where is the largest potato production in the world? The correct answer is option A, China. Where is the world famous Charminar located? The correct answer is option D, Hyderabad. Which creature is born in water? The correct answer is option A, frogs. Which bird is considered a symbol of peace? The correct answer is option A, the dove. Which vitamin is not present in milk? The correct answer is option B, vitamin C. How many times does a human heart beat in 1 minute? The correct answer is option A, 72 times. How much time did it take to build the Ram temple? The correct answer is option B, 3 years. Which bird lays the most eggs? The correct answer is option D, the ostrich. Which state in India is first ranked in fish production? The correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. In which state of India is tea cultivated the most? The correct answer is option A, Assam. The design of Bharat Ratna is taken from the leaf of which tree? The correct answer is option D, peepal leaf. Which country discovered water on the moon? The correct answer is option B, India. Which is the national vegetable of India? The correct answer is option A, pumpkin. With which rope is the death penalty given in India? The correct answer is option C, silk rope. Which country has the cleanest water in the world? The correct answer is option B, Finland. Which river keeps changing its color? The correct answer is option C, canoe crystals. What would be the correct meaning of the idiom, colors are spoiled? The correct answer is option A, spoiling a ready-made job. Which fruit cannot be taken on an airplane? The correct answer is option D, coconut. How much time did it take to build the Red Fort? The correct answer is option C, 10 years. Eating which fruit keeps the liver always healthy? The correct answer is option B, banana. Which organism does not have blood? The correct answer is option C, jellyfish. What does the black flag symbolize? Tell me the answer in the comment box and subscribe my channel for latest videos.